Basically, he says that the most successful communities solve a problem that people face over and over again. It's not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing need.
Hmm. Like what? Give me an example.
He uses the example of a gym. You don't just go once and you're set for life, right?
Yeah, sadly not.
It's the same idea with the community. You have to provide ongoing value that keeps people coming back.
Okay, so it's got to be something people are always going to want or need.
Exactly. Like he actually launched a recipe community based on this whole idea.
Recipes? Really?
Yeah. And it's doing really well. People who love food are always looking for new ideas, new inspiration.
That's so true. Actually, I'm getting kind of hungry just thinking about it.
Right. See? It's a perpetual problem. Everyone's got to eat.
Okay, so we've got the perpetual problem, but he's also very specific about this platform he uses, Skool, right?
Yeah, Skool. He seems to love it. He talks about how it has all these built-in features, direct signups, payment processing, the works.
So it's like super user-friendly.
That's the idea. It streamlines a lot of the tech stuff that trips people up.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Especially if you're not like a tech wizard.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
He wants to make it as easy as possible to create and manage a community.
Smart. But are there other platforms that do the same thing? Like, why Skool specifically?
Oh yeah, there are definitely other options out there. But it seems like he really values the control that Skool gives him. Like he has a direct relationship with his audience. No middleman, no platform fees, all that.
Right, so it's like he owns his platform, owns his audience. Interesting. But okay, let's say you've got the platform. What do you actually put on it?
Content, my friend. Content is king, remember?
Always. But there's like a million different ways to do content. What's his approach?
So he's big on giving people quick wins, especially when they first join the community.
Makes sense. You want to make them feel like they made the right decision.
Exactly. He has this thing called a Start Here course, which is all about giving new members an immediate win, something they can put into action right away.
Okay, I like the sound of that. What kind of win are we talking about?
Yeah. He doesn't go into a ton of detail, but he did mention something called a phantom offer tactic. Apparently, it's super effective for driving conversions.
Phantom offer. Okay, now you have to tell me more.